Hey guys, so today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A36. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A36 and now you want to make a first time setup, so let's see how you can do this. First of all, you will get this type screen on your phone, and here you just have to select your language for your devices. I have selected English United Kingdom, but you can select one of these languages. After that, just select OK, then select start from here, and here you will get this type screen. You have to agree to end user license agreement, privacy policy, and spending of diagnostic data. You just have to select agree to all and then select agree, and after that just go to next screen, which is easy setup with another device. If you're using another device, it might be a Galaxy something or any or other Android phone or any iPhones, you can easily make a setup just using a scan QR code. But you can set up manually. Just select the third option. I'm going to set up manually. Just select it. From here, you just have to connect your Wi-Fi network. Just select your Wi-Fi and here enter your password. Just connect to the network, then select connect here, and after connecting to the network you just have to select next, and here it will show this type screen. It is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. It will take some minutes and it's being loading, so you just have to wait for it. Just wait for it until it's loading. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes, so you just have to wait for this. And after that you will get on this type screen, which is copy apps and data. If you have any other phone, as you can see, this is you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more. If you have any old phones, you can easily copy your data from here. So if you want to copy data, just select next, but I'm going to select don't copy. From here you'll get this type display. Just wait for its loading. And after that you will get this type display, which is you have to create a Google account. So I'm not creating one. If you have one, you can easily log in here, but if you won't have any Google account, so you can easily create new one. But I'm going to skip this. Just tab on skip, then skip here, and here you have to create a pin, pattern, password, fingerprint, or face recognition which you want. But I'm going to skip this one. Just tap on skip, then select skip anyway, and here just select accept, and you will get this app screen, which is getting your phone ready. And here you just have to log in via your Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in with your email or phone number or with QR code, but I have not any account, so just select the third option, and here I'm going to select setup letter. But if you want to set up your Samsung account, you can easily set up it here. So after that you just have to skip it, and here just select these all, which is Samsung service, legal information, terms and conditions, and everything. You just have to select all, then select agree here, and here just select agree, then select which theme you want, as light or dark. If you want to select dark, you can easily select, but I'm going to select light, and then select next, and here just wait, and you can see you're all set up. We have done all the setup. Now select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first setup of your Samsung Galaxy A36. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.